Mom, come on!
When you think you can play nice, we can talk about turning you back over.
65 million years ago.
Oh man, I got an F on my math test.
Well, you just have to say to yourself, hey, it's not the end of the world.
I got the kids some honey. Don't tell them what it is.
Daddy got you something. I'll give you a hint. It's what Mommy calls Daddy.
Don't eat it! It's a lying no-good son of a
The ark is almost ready, Noah.
Wow. Noah only let 2 of the other animals on board.
Yeah, we rabbits must be really special. Good job, Shem. Just let me know when we finish loading all of that food.
Wow, that selfie turned out great.
Yeah, pretty good.
Can we all use it for our Instagram profile pictures?
A-hunting we will go, a-hunting we will go, to catch the bear, it's empty here, a-hunting we will go. Run away! Lord, make this a Christian bear! Please, let this be a Christian bear!
Lord, thank you for this food you have provided. May it nourish and strengthen my body. Amen.
Are we almost to the buried treasure?
Let me check the map!
Sly! You're hurt bad, buddy. If I don't get help for you soon, you are done for.
No, go on without me.
But you're my best friend.
Finding the treasure is the most important thing.
I'll tell the world I found the treasure for my best friend.
Now take the map and go!
You won't have died for nothing, buddy. X marks the spot. Yes, the treasure. I found it for my friend. It's a note. The real treasure is friendship. Crap.
What is it, officer?
I found his trail, and it looks like he's been hit.
Come on, get your food. Over here, boy. Don't be shy. You want some food? Get your food. Don't be shy.
Aw, that's nice of you to feed the squirrels.
Oh, no. I'm feeding the hawk up there. Come on, get your squirrel. He's right here. Don't be shy. Come here, Hawky.
So, how'd you meet your girlfriend?
We met online. Hey, baby, how you doing? Wow, I wonder what does happen next.
Don't do it, man. It's just clickbait.
Hey, why are you taking my picture?
Oh, I'm just Instagramming my breakfast.
Home on the range, where the deer and the...
Man, I just hate being home on the range.
Hey, there are no discouraging words allowed here.
65 million years ago.
Extinct, destroyed, gone, vanished, wiped out.
The last days of the thesaurus.
Hey!
Oh, please, Mr. Lion, don't eat me.
I don't want to eat you. I just want to see if you want to make some extra money at home with our new Juice Plus weight loss program.
Seriously? Please, just eat me.
I call that worm.
Lucky.
I'm like baby. Just great. I had to get an earworm.
It's a bottle with a message in it.
I've always wanted to get me one of those.
I wonder what it says.
You have no new messages.
Let me guess. Little Joey didn't do his homework again.
Yeah, I had to ground him again.
Welcome to Feisty Nature. Today we're gonna be discussing rattlesnakes. If you ever see one of these dangerous creatures in the wild, never, ever do this.
There's a place in France where the naked ladies dance.
See what I mean?
Look, a message in a bottle. What does it say?
The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic.
Hey guys, so as some of you may know from TikTok, Trixie Trash Talk broke her leg. And I'm here to tell you the harrowing story. So, we were sitting here at this very table up at the cabin having a barbecue, hamburgers, hot dogs. And I look over and there's a ginormous bear. This is the same bear that attacked the Feisty Pets in one of our very first videos. Roll the clip.
I scared the bear from people food. Holy crap, this is nuts. Go! Get away! Get away! He is on the roof. No way. Don't do that. No! Don't do that, Camille.
I'm done!
No, Chris. I just told them not to. I'm gonna scare them away.
Oh my gosh. Dad! So, we thought the bear would be hibernating, but it did get really warm last week, and it must have smelled the hamburgers and hot dogs. Trixie was sitting in Eden's lap, just like she is now, and as soon as she saw the bear, she sprung into action, running and barking. The bear was right up on this wall, and Trixie's right here barking at it. Look at the size of these paw prints! And we thought she was gonna get eaten or something. It was a literal David and Goliath situation. Little rat, ginormous bear. If you know bears in this area, you know they're big, big babies. So he turned around, booked it up, but knocked this rock down, and the rock fell and hit Trixie's leg. And that is how Trixie Trash Talk saved the day from a giant wild bear.
Trixie's my hero. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And follow us on TikTok. Love you. Bye.
Feisty Pets.
Here, give me your hand. Almost.
Sight! Ah!